Colors. Hello guys, today we are learning about different colors. Look, the hen laid so many eggs. All the eggs are white colored. Let's paint the eggs and surprise the hen. The first egg we are gonna color red, right? Red like apple. What color will this egg be? Who knows what color is this? Orange, right. What color this egg will be? Yellow, yellow like the sun. Who knows what color this egg will be? Green, green like grass. What color egg is this? Blue, blue as the sky. What color will this egg be? Purple, like purple grapes. Who knows what color is this? Brown, brown like a bear. The last egg we are gonna paint. Who knows this color? Black, black as the ground. Look how pretty eggs have become. Let's check all the colors once again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black. Look guys, the hen also liked the eggs. She was surprised. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.